If your desktop looks like a digital junk drawer, stick around, because in just a few minutes, you're going to create a custom wallpaper organizer that makes your screen look clean, aesthetic, and actually useful. We're diving straight into Canva for this. Open it up and in the search bar, type Desktop Wallpaper Organizer. You'll see a bunch of templates pop up designed specifically to organize icons on your desktop. Don't stress about the options, just scroll until something matches your vibe and the way you like to work. Once you spot a template you like, click to open it and take a quick look at the layout. Make sure the sections make sense for how you use your computer. Maybe you want areas for work, school, personal files, or a to-do zone. When you're happy with the structure, hit Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Now the fun part starts. You can personalize nearly everything, switch up the colors to match your aesthetic, change the fonts, or update any graphics. Rename the sections to fit your flow, like projects, reminders, shortcuts, or random stuff I swear I'll organize later. Adjust the layout to match where your icons usually land on your screen. Take a minute to experiment. This is what makes it feel personal instead of generic. Once your wallpaper looks exactly how you want it, click Download. PNG or JPEG will work perfectly. Save it somewhere easy to find. Next, set it as your desktop background. On Windows or Mac, just head to your display or wallpaper settings and select the file you just created. The moment it applies, your desktop instantly looks cleaner, more intentional, and, let's be real, a lot more satisfying to look at. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've turned chaos into clickable order. If you want more guides like this that make your tech feel easier and more you, stick around and explore the channel. Catch you in the next one.